If you go into system settings, you can enable Apple Intelligence. And so right here, we've got Apple Intelligence enabled, and new in macOS 15.2 Sequoia that we didn't have before is the ChatGPT extension. So just like on the iPhone or iPad, you can use this fully anonymous or with an account. We've got here an account that we have linked. And what's really cool is now that I've enabled Apple Intelligence, I can invoke Siri or writing tools from just about any application. And it's super easy to invoke Siri. So I've disabled Hey Siri so that all of the MacBooks and iPhones in this room don't go off at once. But you can type to Siri now. So if you either click on the little Siri icon on the top right or hit the command key twice, it brings up the little Siri prompt.
That's really cool.
And again, like anytime Siri thinks, ooh, this is a complex task, maybe I should get ChatGPT's help with it, it'll hand it off, it'll ask for confirmation, but then get the help of our super powerful models to make it happen. So what are some places where we might use this? Well, gosh, in catching up on all of our launches this week, I've got here the O1 system card.
49-page system card.
49-page PDF. So I've opened this in preview, but again, like in any application, I can just double tap the command key to bring up type to Siri. How about this? This doc is super long. How did they get the model to be so good at coding? Oh, I spelled model wrong,
Yeah.
That's why. You know what? I wasn't in the system card, so let me make sure we get the right credit here. So what happens is Siri recognizes, okay, this is a complex task. Let's send it off to ChatGPT. But before we do, it wants to know, do we want to send any of the content that I'm looking at as part of the request? And we can either send the screenshot or the full 49-page PDF.
Send it all.
Send it all. At all times, I'm in control of what I share with ChatGPT. And so now we're uploading this whole document for ChatGPT to process along with my query of like, how in the world did they get this model so good at coding? And awesome, there's the answer. Maybe this saves me a good bit of time. McDonald showed earlier on the iPhone that if you tap this little ChatGPT button down at the bottom, it will open this in ChatGPT. And that's super cool because then I get to save it for later. I get to continue the conversation. I get to do more with it. So like one of the cool things I might do now that I have it saved here, and it shows up in my sidebar over there, is, okay.
As a side note, the ChatGPT desktop app is so good now. If you have not tried
so
it,
good.
you should.
It's so good. I'm a more visual learner. Can we make a pie chart of the respective influence of each of the techniques on making it good at coding? And so this is just picking up where we left off. It already has the full PDF. It's able to read through it again, analyze it, reason about how, I guess, like the relative ranks and importance of each of the different techniques here, and ultimately write some code to help visualize it.
Cool.
And I'll check with our colleagues over on the reasoning team if this is representative, but this helps me better understand the paper, which is super cool. So all of this from just about any application on your Mac, with you everywhere, in your iPhone, in your pocket. And we're hoping that a lot of folks who maybe are already using ChatGPT are now getting to use it in more places with less friction.